Hey everyone, we are in a very special location. It's a place I really don't visit often, but I think most of my viewers will have heard of it. The locals call it Taipei. It is the largest city in Taiwan, and like all cities in Taiwan, the outskirts are very mountainous.
台北那么猛，难怪这里的食物那么绿。我们现在会爬鹿湖坪，鹿湖坪是代表是从万里到台北的大马路。现在就是变那个登山步道，路很宽很平平的，然后里面的生态很完美的，很漂亮。
I'm here with the Columbia Hiking Society, but as usual, I have fallen behind the group because I got distracted by every single plant along the trail.
不过有几个蛮好用的竹，如果你被咬人毛夹到，你可以把这个切掉，然后用里面的水。对啊，如果没有咬人毛呢，你就是随便踩一下，你会觉得痒痒的。如果有咬人毛，会把那个痒痒的就是不见了。我觉得漂亮，叶子很大。It's like a chicken， 很像个鸡一样，可是有毛 feathers， 蛮酷的。There's so many everywhere. Nice. 这样的溪在北部比较多，在南部不会有这种的溪，因为那个台风很少从北部来。在南部每一条溪都很宽，因为台风来的时候就是整个东西会冲走了。北部的溪对我是比较有国外的感觉，因为我长大的时候在北卡，就是每一条溪是比较小，是这种的，可是小朋友玩水那种的溪。Impressive， 对不对 ？Secret skill。
Yeah, just you looking at the nature.
The animals. No, I was actually trying to see it. I was trying to figure it out, but I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Thanks. You're good. Ah! Wasn't me. Somehow I ate like a spider web or something. I think my water bottle went through a spider web and then I drank. It's just part of being out in nature. 这个是鸟巧蕨，这是我最喜欢的竹。我这里很漂亮，平常会在比较高的地方，你看这里都有小小的，那边也有。不希望晒太阳，所以都会在那个树下面，然后可以出很高，然后就是会飞，从一个树飞到另外一个，很酷啊。有很多种，可是这个是最常看到的。The floor is lava. 这点都没有，下面不会，放下太阳。
This trail keeps going over the mountains, but my goal is always the waterfall. This one is quite nice and it's very easy to get to. It's got a very deep pool that looks perfect for swimming and diving. I wouldn't know anything about that though. You'll have to apply to Yangmingshan National Park to find out if that's true. I can cool off in other ways, and Columbia's waterproof shoes and jacket keep my feet and body dry while I can wash my face in the river. So kudos to them for that.
Good.
Afterwards, we headed to Camp Taipei to learn more about Columbia's Taiwan Hike Society and to check out their new merch.
你消费 adventure. Get to level 3.
右边。
哇哦，你现在有肌肉吗？ You're the only one who tried this level.
Ready? Oh, I didn't know I was going for the record. This pulls you backwards like this.
Yeah.
This is a bad position to be in. Pull yourself closer to it like this.
Oh.
Probably very easy. 148, that's 50% faster. I'm not gonna be the counselor. Okay, I'll try. You count me down.
Once you step on, then they'll stop.
Okay. Okay.
Nice. Good try.
失败失落的离开。
No, 这样。
I am out of breath. A hike and then all that climbing. Great way to spend a day. Thanks a lot for Columbia for putting this all together. What a great experience. If you want to know more, just click the link in the below. Thanks everybody. Hope you have a great day.